Good morning students. Last class I thought you repeated subtraction sums. Today also let us see that related exercise. Seema, pleasure time. Write the subtraction facts for the following. Okay, we can write the subtraction fact. See first one, subtract 2 repeatedly from 10. Okay, here we have 10 apples. Okay, here we are repeatedly subtracting what number? 2. Okay, see 10 minus 2 is equal to, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, in this 10 from how many subtracted here? 1 2. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is equal to, remainder what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So write here 8. Okay, see the next picture. What is the remainder? 8. Okay, next step 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, total 8 apples. This 8 apples from we can subtract how many numbers? 2. So minus 2 is equal to, remainders count and write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 picture from how many now we will subtract? 2. So minus 2 is equal to, remainder 1 2 3 4 is equal to 4. Okay, next 1 2 3 4. Okay, remainder 4. That 4 from how many we are subtract? Repeatedly we are subtracting 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. See the next step, final 2. Okay, in this 2 from we are subtracting again 2. Okay, is equal to 0. Okay ma, so here repeatedly what number subtract? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times we are subtracting 2. Okay, so number of times 2 is subtracted to get 0. So we want 0 means how many steps we are going here? 1 2 3 4 5 steps. Okay, so number of times 2 is subtracted to get 0 means what? 5. Okay, fifth time we will get the 0. See the next sum, subtract 4 repeatedly from 20. Okay, we have 20 oranges. In that oranges from, we subtracted what number? 4. Repeatedly we are subtracting 4. Okay, so that fact we can take and write here. Okay, this sum is your homework ma. Very simple. First total oranges count and write. After minus 4 is equal to remainder oranges here write. Next total orange count. Next minus 4 is equal to remainder count and write here. In the same way also here. Next how many times we are subtracting 4, that one write here. Seema, next one, let us do repeated subtraction using number line. Okay, in addition we saw some number line, okay, before the chapter. Now let us see what is the repeated subtraction using number line. Okay, see we have the number line here 0 to 15. Okay, Seema, the frog can leave 3 units in one attempt. Okay, if the frog wants to return to its original position from 15, then it can be shown using number line as given above. Okay, see, in addition sum we are counting forward. Okay, now backward counting. Okay mom, now that this frog wants to return to his place. Okay, so what you do? Backward counting. Okay, now we are backward counting ma. See, start from 15 and leave in 3's up to 0. Okay, see, first the frog is here. Okay, next 3 unit it covers means 1 2 3. Okay, so here, so that is 12. Next again 1 2 3. Next 9. Okay, next 1 2 3. Next here. Okay, frog will reach 0 in 5 leap of 3 units. Okay, so how many times it can jump? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times using how many units? 3 units. So its reach is position 0. Next, it has jumped 5 times starting from 15 to reach 0. Okay, starting from 15 and to reach 0, how many times it can jump? 5 times. So that is 15 minus 3. This one first jump. Okay, so 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Next, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Next 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Next 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Again 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So it reached its place. Okay. So which gives 15 minus how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times we can subtract 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So here we are subtracting 3. So this is called repeated subtraction. Seema, next for your practice, draw the leaping position of the frog on the line to reach to 0. Okay, 2 units distance. Okay, now the frog is here. Okay, it wants to reach its position 0. Okay, so here what unit we based? Minus 2 units. Okay, so what is our distance? 2 unit distance. Okay, so here is 20. So 1, 2. Next it is here. Again 1, 2. Next position 16. Again 1, 2. Next 14. After 1, 2. Next 12. Okay, next it can jump what? 11, 10. So here. Next the frog will jump at 8. Next 6. Next 4. 2 numbers skip and write. Again 3 after 2. Here. Again last position 0. Okay, so repeated subtraction fact is equal to dash. Seema, here how many times we are subtracting 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we subtract 20 from, we can subtract 10 twos. Okay, see 20 minus 2, one time, this one second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time, eighth time, ninth time and 10th time. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 twos are 20. So 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is called repeated subtraction fact. Why we are subtracting 2 again and again? Because that is question. 2 units distance. So we are subtracting 2. Next, number of leaps. How many leaps ma? How many jumping here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So number of leaps is equal to 10. Next 5 unit distance. Next what's our question? 5 unit distance. The frog is at 20. Next it want to reach at 0. Okay. So repeated subtraction fact, right? Next number of leaps. Okay. Now we want to jump how many distance? 5 units. Okay. This frog was jump at 5 units. So 5 numbers subtract. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first attempt at 15. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again second attempt at 10. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So third attempt at 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next fourth attempt at 0. Okay. So repeated subtraction fact means what do you write? This numbers 20 is whole number minus first attempt 5. So 5 minus, again second attempt also 5 minus 5, third attempt also minus 5, fourth attempt also minus 5. So is equal to what answer? See 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. That 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Again 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Again 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is what repeated subtraction fact. Next number of leaps. How many leaps? How many times it can jump? See 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So number of leaps is equal to 4. This is your answer. Next see the third sum of 4 unit distance. Next sum is 4 unit distance. Okay. Now this frog covers how many units? 4 units. Okay. Now it want to reach its position 0. So now we are counting backwards. See 1, 2, 3, 4. This one first attempt at 16. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Second attempt at 12. Okay. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 8. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 units cover after it can jump at 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again 4 unit cover after it can jump at 0. So it will come in this position. Okay, that is 0. Okay, ma. So repeated subtraction fact is equal to 20 minus this one first 4. So minus 4. Next second 4. Minus this one 4. Third 4. Next fourth 4. Next fifth time jumping. So minus 4 is equal to, see 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Again 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Again 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now number of leaps. How many times it can jump? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So number of leaps is equal to 5. Okay, ma. So these answers you properly write it in your book. See this drawing work after this repeated subtraction after number of leaps. Everything you properly write it in your book. Okay, ma. Sima, this is your today homework sum. This one sum only your homework. So you neatly write it in your book. Okay. Thank you. Next class we will see.